This video is to demonstrate for anybody whose first time it is with a Stihl GS461 concrete cutting chainsaw. This is my first time too, so I'm gonna really, I'm in at the deep end and you're going to see exactly what it's like to use one of these things the first time. I don't even know what my expectations are, but I'd be happy at this point just for a test if I can do a cut from there to there down the middle of that concrete block. It's about a 4-inch concrete block, hoping that the chainsaw is going to go through it in a couple of minutes. I don't know, it might take an hour, who knows. Wish me luck. That could be us out of petrol maybe. I did only put a little bit in. Quite interesting. Cut through the mortar very easily. The block, well, about what I expected really. I think I would have been through there in 2 or 3 minutes if I had enough petrol. So we'll probably have another go with some petrol.